Darling, I'm going to tell you the secret to make a woman orgasm every single time. And you're going to learn her sexual blueprint. Because let me just tell you, the reality is this. When a man knows how to put it on your body, and he knows how to bring you to that bliss, and maybe sometimes that special someone, that special man, maybe it's you, that you know how to not only bring her that orgasm once, but you can bring it to her over and over and over again. That crescendo experience. Trust me, you will be unforgettable. Because here's the thing, sometimes getting us to that first orgasm can be a lot of work. I get it. But what you don't know is if you can last and keep that momentum going, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. And that's why I've partnered with Joy Mode. Because the reality is sometimes you're not getting the right supplements that you need to stay hard. And let's be honest, a lot of the stuff on the market right now is shit. And it's poisoning men's bodies. And this is a healthy alternative. If you've been looking for a supplement, something that's natural, that's safe, that will not cause harm to your body, but will give you a rock hard penis, then you want to try Joy Mode. And I have a discount code. If you type in tryjoymode.com, tryjoymode.com, and use the code ALO, you will get 20% off your first purchase. And you'll even get 30% off if you sign up for a subscription. But the reality is, you need some extra help to keep that penis of yours, that dick of yours, raw hard. Well, guess what? I found the solution for you with Joy Mode. So you want to try Joy Mode now so that you can position her to receive orgasm after orgasm. Because trust me, that first one may be a little difficult to get. But when you're rock hard, then the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth orgasm, they come so much faster. And when you can get her screaming over and over and over again, just when she thought she could not orgasm anymore, and you stay in there like a champ, and you continue to give her those orgasms that build on top of each other, that creates such an experience within her body that you are unforgettable. And trust me, when you start figuring this out, you start understanding her blueprint. Oh, when I put her in this position, or when I do that, she begins to orgasm. And so you'll know the next time, this is her blueprint. These are the things that her body desires. And when you're able to last long enough to where it's not just one orgasm, but it's several, it's many orgasms, let me tell you, you two are set up for a sexual experience that porn would only dream of actually having. So I want to make sure that you're doing things properly so that you can make her really orgasm. And the first place that it really begins with any woman is in our brain. When you are building anticipation with us, when you are telling us the things that you're going to do to our body, when you get our mind thinking about you sexually, what that does is it builds anticipation. It starts doing the work for you before you even get to the bedroom. And so think about it. Well, maybe you can think about it because you're not a woman, but let's just use me for example. I love to read erotic romance novels. They turn me on so much. And I'll never forget once, I'll tell you a private story. I was with my own partner and I was reading these romance novels, erotic novels, and it turned me on so much that I screamed out for my partner as I was in the bedroom. And I was like, I need this right now. I need it right now. And I was able to orgasm so quickly. Why? Because I had already built it up in my mind of what that experience was. And one of the best ways to do that is to start asking her questions. Now, I created a free guide for you that is the 20 best sexual questions that you can ask a woman. And trust me, when you start asking her these questions, what you're doing is you're building her body up so that she can orgasm with you every time. Why? Because she knows that you're going to bring her into that sexual energy and you're going to turn her on in ways that her body has never experienced. So when you have a woman thinking about you sexually and you begin to sensually touch her, you begin to put her in the right positions. When you marry these together, when you are able to get her mind thinking about it, you touch her body to where she surrenders, and then you put her in positions that she's never experienced. When you use these three things, her body will orgasm every single time. Now, here's the challenge. You need to be able to stay hard so that she has these experiences, that she knows when she's in the bedroom, she can meet a rock hard penis, a rock hard cock, and that when you guys are together, that your penis is going to last long enough so that she can have these multiple orgasms. Knowing how to seduce her mind, being able to sensually touch her body so that her body feels cared for, it feels open like a flower to be able to receive from you, and knowing the exact positions that fit her body by playing with different positions, putting her body in different angles, and being able to deliver her the orgasm of a lifetime because you know what her body likes. When you understand her blueprint this way, knowing these three things, and having a rock hard penis to satisfy her, she will orgasm over and over and over and over again. And in the comment section, I want you to write every single time, because that's what you're going to be able to do to her body. Here's a whole playlist all about sexual attraction with women, how to really master intimacy with us girls. So click that playlist, begin to watch them, and don't forget to click my picture over here and subscribe to my channel.